how relevant is the current interest rates or the interest rate hikes that we've had?
Yep.
How's it changed the market? How's it changed the volume of sales, changed the volume of buyers, those sorts of things?
I think the volume of sales has definitely dropped, but I don't think, especially in our core market, Mount Waverley, Glen Waverley, Willis Hill, Vermont, even Oakley, our buyers aren't affected as much by interest rates. That's due to the demographic and the fact that a lot of the money is from overseas and they're cash buyers per se, let alone relying on interest rates. I think in suburbs which are on the outer fringe in the Greenfield markets, a lot of those buyers and families are more than likely struggling at the moment with the interest rates. Whereas our buyers, not in all cases, but a lot of cases, are less affected because they have the security of having mum and dad who's got money from overseas or vice versa.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So therefore, so it's not a real big topic of discussion, the rates?
No, I definitely think it's a topic of discussion. I just think that a lot of our buyers at the moment aren't as affected by interest rates as per se in other suburbs. I think it's probably more affecting our vendors than our buyers in terms of the rates that they're paying at the moment. And that's why, a lot of our vendors they're selling a house here for 1.7, 1.8 and buying something for 1.2 in Mornington.
Right, okay.
Change of lifestyle, and also the fact that they can cash up and have some more money in the bank.
Yeah, all right, okay. All right, so therefore, on that score, how abreast do you keep the interest rates and the potential cycles, and potentially how often are you asked what could happen next year? Do you ask that a lot?
Yeah, I think regardless of market trends, you got to know what's going on. Like, you've got to read the AFR and you read ABC News every day to know what's happening.
Yeah.
I think
the Australian's also good to read.
Yeah, I think it's also really important to know what's going on in America and other countries, because a lot of what they do has an impact on what we do.
Yes.
And I think that it's really important as well to know that, because it keeps you updated with vendors, and vendors think that you know your stuff as well.
Yeah, and I think that's important. I think the game of residential real estate now is global, not country-based or statewide.
Yeah.
Right, you need to globally know what all the influencing factors are.
Yep.
You agree with that?
And that's where a lot of the commercial agents I used to work with are guns, because they know what's going on in every state, in every city.
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah, it's good.
Yep. And they know, if the built-to-rent sector is coming in large, and they know that, and they prepare those vendors who have sites that may be suitable for BTR, built-to-rent.
Yep.
In those segments. So it's important to know what's happening in the market far wide.
Yep, I agree. Well done. Good on you.